Hi everyone, it's Ira. Welcome to gmailfiend. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete mass emails in your drafts, of course in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first go to your Gmail account and then go to drafts. As you can see, I have a lot of drafts here that the messages that I didn't send. So what I'm gonna do is click this select all box, or you can also unclick the drafts that you don't want to delete like that, so that you can mass delete the drafts, and then click discard drafts. And there you have it. That's how you delete all the drafts in a mass selection. We hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!